Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Jabra Elite 7 Pro with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to remember to input both earbuds inside this charging case and charge them at least for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port before pairing. Next, when you do this, just open the case and remove both earbuds. And right now we have to grab them like that. And we have to click and hold the left and the right earbud buttons and wait until indicators turns blue. So let's do this right now. Click and hold them. As you can see right now, it is blinking, so we can simply release both buttons, put them close to your laptop, and right now just go to the system settings. You have to open the Bluetooth, and then from nearby devices list you have to wait for your Jabra Elite 7 Pro earbuds. In my case, that's the custom name, so just click connect until they pop on the list. And as you can see right now, when we are successfully connected, we can simply go to the sound settings and just check for the output and the input device. Just select our earbuds. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.